Welcome to Innovative Foods. Today I'm making Desi style chicken pizza, soft homemade base, spicy tandoori chicken topping, and full of Desi flavor. A perfect fusion pizza made easily at home without oven. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl, add 110 ml warm water, 1 teaspoon sugar, and 1 teaspoon yeast. Yeast make the base soft and airy. Keep aside for 5 minutes. Activate yeast properly in warm water. Now add 1 cup flour, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon oil. Combine with yeast mixture. Make a soft dough. Rub oil and keep aside for 40 minutes. Now for chicken toppings, take 1 cup chicken, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon tandoori masala, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, half teaspoon cumin, 1 tablespoon beaten curd and 1 tablespoon oil. Mix well. Desi pizza combines Indian spices with Italian style. Now pour in a pan. Tandoori flavors add smoky taste. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Now take the dough, roll it out. Place the dough in a oil grease plate. And prick with a fork. Prick base to prevent puffing. Spread pizza sauce. Add mozzarella cheese. Cook chicken. Do not overcook chicken before topping. Capsicum, onion. Homemade pizza tastes fresher than store-bought. Tomato and more mozzarella cheese. Fresh vegetable add nutrients. Best enjoyed in balanced portion. Sprinkle chili flakes. Place a pan with a wire stand and preheat for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Cook pizza for 20 to 25 minutes until base is cooked and cheese melt. Cook only on medium-low heat for even baking. Chicken adds protein. Homemade pizza uses control oil. Your Desi style chicken pizza is ready, spicy, cheesy and flavorful. Serve hot and enjoy every bite. Try this recipe at home and share your feedback. Follow Innovent Foods for more delicious fusion recipes.